Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In this video we will learn about a library that is Awesome Edit Text. So how this is works, you can see here this is the edit text, and when I will put any value it will animate. So this will increase beauty of your application, and let's see how we can use this. Okay, so first you need to open a link that is given in the description of this video, and that is this Awesome Edit Text. Okay, and if you come down you can see its sample, and again come down. So first you need to have this JCenter in your Gradle file. So first go to the Gradle file and this project, and we have already this JCenter. Again open this module, and here we need to put the implementation. So go to the page, and here you can see the implementation. Just copy this, paste, and here you can see the latest version. So latest version is, just go upside, and this 1.1.0. so 1.1.0, and click this sync now. So you can see the sync is failed because we also need to delete this bracket. Again sync now, and this time the sync is successful. Now just go to the XML and code. You can just change it to the relative layout and delete this. Here you can see the code ss.anoop.smedittext.smedittext. Okay, so ss dot enter, press alt enter. Height will be wrap content. Again width will be match parent. Animation duration, for example 500, and ID. Okay, press alt control L for the formatting, and now if you run this you can see the magic. So run. Here you can see the application is running, and when we will enter any text here it will animate. Okay, so let's see how to use this in the Java. So here create object, I have some edit text. Find view by ID. Okay, and create a button. So here we will create a button. Its ID is button, and let's create button object. And this button dot set on click listener, new on click listener. So press Ctrl J here and type toast. So this will be main activity dot this, and here we will get the text. So I have some edit text dot get text dot to string. Okay, so whatever we will put in the edit text, it will show in the toast. So again run. Here you can see application is running. So put, for example, hello. And when we will click this button, you can see hello here. Okay. So this is the awesome edit text library that you can use in your application. If you like this video, then please hit like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next. Till then, bye.